This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Support the outer end of the lower control arm with a floor jack. The jack must remain in this position throughout the entire procedure. Using a backup wrench on the stem, remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut and bushing. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt. Note the direction in which the bolt points. Remove the shock absorber from the fender well. Transfer the lower bushing located on the center rod to the new absorber or install a new one if it looks damaged. The same goes for the upper bushing when installing it. Install the shock absorber into the fender well and install the lower mounting bolt and nut in the correct direction. Guide the center rod in the upper shock bracket mount, then install the bushing and upper mounting nut. Tighten the shock lower mounting nut and bolt to the specified torque setting. Using a backup wrench on the stem, tighten the shock absorber mounting nut to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels.